Welcome everyone, my name is Sernawar. You may know of me maybe, but what we're going to do today is unbox a Samsung SSD T5, and this is an external SSD for those of you wondering. We're going to see what's inside the box. Now there should be two boxes in here. Let's open her up. Oh, that went in a little too deep. It's not good. I don't have a knife, so unless I use a butter knife, I don't have a knife. So that's it. Okay, so we have got the box open. Here she is, Samsung Portable SSD T5 in rose gold color. And apparently it's a really fast, really solid, good SSD. This is just the 500 gig model. So we'll see what's inside in here. There is a 3-year warranty on this, apparently. It says on the box. I have no idea what that includes, but we shall see. Okay. So it goes this way. It is in the right way. So we slide her out, and she is very, very small. It's a very small friend we have here. And it's recyclable, so that's nice. It's literally just ridiculously tiny, I don't know. My hard drive, my HDD, is bigger than this packaging, and that's 1 terabyte. This thing is 500 gigs. Half the memory, and it's about 1/8 of the size, or less, I don't know. All right, let's get her out. So here is the actual SSD. It does say it's a portable SSD T5. It's meant for travel, apparently, maybe, but it's not meant for traveling, but if you are traveling, very handy. And it has a USB-C input here for your actual connection to whatever you're going to use it for. We've got a user quick start guide, warranty statement and certifications book that nobody ever reads. Then we've got a USB-C cable, which is actually really handy because I've only got one of these. So my MacBook one that I'm using now is actually to charge it, so I can't really, well, I could unplug it to do that, but that would be a massive pain in the ass, and I'm not going to do that. So she plugs in here. Oh, and that is a slightly wobbly connector. It should be a good cable to make sure the speed's fast enough. I will trust that it is, for now. Yes, and if there are problems... Oh, and they also give us a USB-C to a normal USB conversion cable thing. So if you are using a desktop, this will be extra handy, because a lot of desktops still use USB 3.1 connectors, which is good. So we got a 3.1 USB to USB-C. That's actually very generous of Samsung. I wish Apple would follow their lead sometimes. Okay, that was a terrible joke, but you know. Did this come from America? Okay, in England it's aluminium. In America it's aluminum, and pretty much everywhere else I think is aluminium. So we'll just pretend like it says aluminium. Whatever it is, it's a lightweight aluminium exterior. You can hear it has a metallic sound. It's almost like a copper color. But if we compare it to my rose gold ring, which it's a coincidence I've got it on right now. If we compare, the color is definitely rose gold. It sounds very strange. Kind of like plastic, but it's not. It's aluminium. They state it is a convenient palm size, which is true. It's about the size of a small bunny. And we've got lightweight, 51 grams. And if you're American, it's 1.8 ounces. No, it's actually pretty lightweight, so that's good. Apparently it's got shock resistance and withstands falls from up to 2 meters or 6.6 feet. Maybe we'll put it to the test one day when I don't need it anymore. Okay, and it's got optional password protection and encryption type stuff. which is always nice, compatible with multiple operating systems, USB-C and USB-A support for PCs, phones, and other devices. You need Windows 7 or higher to use it, or Mac OS 10 Mavericks, Yosemite, El Capitan, and Sierra version 10.9 or higher, and Android 4.4 KitKat. Okay, so you need a chocolate bar Android to run this. That's good. Sorry, what? Sorry? Warning! Cancer and reproductive harm. So, cancer and reproductive harm. I'm sure it's always been there, but now they have to say it, so I guess it's whatever, innit? I'm quite pleased about the size, to be honest. Like, carrying around my other thing that's this, at least this big, and then plugging that in, and then you like start it up and it sounds like an engine starting, and it's like and then it's not that fast at transferring files. So this one should be much faster, apparently 5 times faster than, or thereabouts, than my HDD. I just won't leave it too close to me because apparently it might cause cancer. That's unboxing of Samsung T5 Portable SSD. Thanks so much everyone for watching our video. If you are not already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming our beloved subscribers of Wendigo Volcano. If you did enjoy the video, it is very nice if you could hit that thumbs up button because it lets us know that you liked the video, and then we can make more videos like it later on. And if you did not like the video, well, I'm very sorry to hear that, and we will do our best to not give a fuck. So, what was the third thing? Oh yes, leave us a comment down below if you have already purchased a portable T5 Samsung. I'm sure you are considering buying one if you're watching this video and wonder what's in the box, because that's usually what I ask when I buy things, and I'm sitting there like, well, I want to buy this thing, but I'm not sure what's in the box and if it has the necessary adapters I require for my very specific needs as a gamer without a PC. Just comment down below if you have anything funny to add or fun to add, or even if you want to complain about something, feel free to comment down below, and Mr. Doge here will be very much obliged and happy to reply to your comments. Coming up next on our unboxing event schedule, we've got the Nintendo Switch controller. Is it worth getting a Pro controller? Well, I've got some nice insight for you guys about that in the next video, so we'll see you then. The box is shiny and smooth. It feels like an Apple box, you know, the usuals. That's soft. And then you've got the glossy, and then you've got the goldy, because I am definitely very knowledgeable about technology. This is not the product box, as you can see. This is just a normal box, so it's a very nice box. It's not even the box. Got a nice little clip holder for when I want to open up my own shop and sell that later. So if you would just tell us your honest opinion. No, I don't like it either.